Next stop, 61st and Kenya Station.
I'm so glad he came back, because what a nigga TikTok songs would go viral, bro. That's fuck with them 100 day moves. That 100 day moves on, bro. He's smart for all the album. Nigga just go viral again. He's smart. He used the hype to his advantage. A lot of niggas don't do that. A lot of them be insecure and don't want to, have to put their product out, because you know, it's not as good as they say. A lot of these motherfuckers ain't as good as they say. It's not really good to the hype, man. What if I did? Welcome to the fucking dark side, dog. My name is Tyler, dog. And what we essentially do here is we sneeze in your mouth and get you infected. That's how we spread viruses. Sneeze in your mouth, get you infected. That's how we spread viruses.